Bye.
You let me cater to you. You let me cater to you. I wanna let you know that I am what you do. I want me to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you. You I am to be good. Challenge me for the better. What do you let me cater to you?
Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to the Good Vibe Tribe. My name is Aaliyah, and I don't know if this is gonna be on the day before. Stop, babe. That's cold. Or this is a whole new vlog. But hold on. I am getting ready to go to the other house, my house, and finish packing. I was not feeling good all day yesterday, so I just edited a video and I posted it. And yeah, so today I have to go to the store, get some boxes, and then go over there and finish my bedroom and then take that trampoline down. And then all we're waiting for now is just to move out. So this is what I'm wearing today. This is what I want to put that hoodie back on. And then if I get hot while I'm over there, I'm going to take the hoodie off. Also, my baby's box of clothes is still over there, so I'm going to change her clothes and get over there. She took a bath and brushed her teeth. So, yeah, we're about to go. I got to go do something for my dad, for my granddad, and then I'm going to head over there, Walmart and over there. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day today. And, yeah, let's go.
Hey guys, today we
Show them what you got.
Capri Sun and we got that.
Snacks. And got a few just so baby girl doesn't get hungry. I don't know why it's so close.
I don't know why.
All right, so I was so blessed because I really didn't have nothing to come here and get no boxes with. So I was only going to have to get a couple. So I seen some boxes sitting there, and I asked the guy, could I get them? And he said, yeah, you can take any boxes that's empty. So yay, this is all I need. And then I'm about to get me a jug of water so I'm not getting lightheaded and stuff like that. I got me a couple of adult Lunchables. I just need this alkaline water right here. Come on. That's what 5'3" gets you. Okay. Alright, guys.
Alright guys, do you want to get back in the car?
Yeah, let's go.
We want to get out here.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, the reason why I can't sit back this is because your basket was going there.
Right.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
Let's go. You as well. Thank you.
You're well, thank you.
So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like a fan,
How are you? All right. So this is definitely the next day. I know I got my sweater on, but I told you if I get cold, you know. Anyways, it's like, damn, she always got on that black jacket. No. Well, yeah. But anyways, I come to check in with you guys. I've been at the house now for a few hours. I'm gonna show you the updates that I've done today. It's not gonna be much because you remember from the last vlog, the only thing I had left was to take down the trampoline, finish off the kitchen like clearly, and then do the bedroom. So I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see, and I'm going to walk you through that, and then we're going to get out of here. Okay, let me turn it around. All right, as you can see that the trampoline did not get taken down because I do not have the tool to take it down. So I asked the people that I'm trying to hire to move my stuff for me, would they be able to take it down? And they said yes. So that's great. So I'm not even going to worry about it. I'm going to let them deal with it. The kitchen is complete. And that's a bag of trash, my air fryer. And then the only 2 drawers I have left is this one. But it's like knives. And let me just show you. It's just thrown in here. So yeah, other than that, everything is empty. I also still have food in this freezer that I got to get rid of, like I showed you. The refrigerator, I cleaned that one really well the other day. I also called my housekeeper today. She didn't answer, so I'm going to wait for her to call me back, maybe when she gets done. This is what the living room is looking like. Just more and more stuff is being added. We walked down the hall, bag of trash. And then this is my room. Pretty much done with that. Those cleaning supplies, after I get done with it, I'm throwing it away. Everything up here. I'm not packing this. This is just little tissues. I do need to take my stuff off the wall, like my pictures and stuff, and these. I'll probably just come back over here and do that tomorrow because I'm pretty much over it at this point. I'm done. Bathroom. Done with that. Took all the boxes out of here. But everything else, this little stuff, it's whatever. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm done with this. I just pray that I get some supernatural strength when I move into my new place. But other than that, that's all I pretty much just wanted to show you guys, that I'm finally done with it. And at this point, we're just waiting to load this stuff up on the truck, or we'll put it in the storage, which I'm trying to load it up on the truck. I don't want to have to come back in here and get this. All right. And I got her box of clothes. I'm going to actually do her hair today and just get my baby looking better than what she's looking like. All right, y'all. I'm good. I mean, see, I'm delusional at this point. Delirious. Anyways, also, if you guys rent properties out, or if you are buying a house, painting a house, my main thing I'm trying to say is please do not put cheap paint inside these houses or apartments, because like literally touch the wall and they're disgusting. Like, I've never lived in a place where I had to pay for the wall being nasty, and as soon as I wasn't even here like a couple months before they started looking like this. Please invest in good paint. Don't be cheap when it comes to the paint, because it leaves more mess and it just makes the house look disgusting. Anyways, I'm about to get ready to go so I can start folding clothes and washing these clothes that I still got in the trunk. And yeah, you're about to go back, and I gotta feed us, so yeah. I'm gonna probably stop by at Walmart and say it again. Hold on, sure. She loves you guys. I love you guys too. I'm ready to take down my hair. You know, I tell you all the time. Anyways, I'm gonna get to that, but okay, baby. Other than that, let me load up the car. I got a couple of Leilani's library books that's past due that I found while I was cleaning, so I'm about to go drop those off, and then we're gonna head back to the house. And I think I'm gonna cook. I think I'm gonna cook steak for dinner tonight, and I still have a salad. I have 2 salads, so that's probably what I'm gonna eat for dinner. All right. And we're out.
To know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, only you. I wanna be what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. We get the sun. Oh yeah, I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all I need is the time, then I got plenty love. I'll dedicate all my love unto you, only baby. I promise you by your side, be there to cool you out and let you know everything will be alright.
Bye.
I wanna be down with you, no matter time.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my yard uninvited. When you see me on the edge, coming on. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want me to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. Yeah, babe. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of before? face them in now. Let your edge out.
Thank you, dear.
You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
All right.
West now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of little change that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I leave my all my favorites. Still wanna try.
I really just feel like I've been recording you guys upside down, and I really hope that was not the case, because that footage would not be good. So just in case, if I was, let me re-say it. We have just come back from the store, as you guys just saw in the last clip. We got dinner, got baby girl her treat. Come show them your treat.
Okay. I treat mommy.
No, don't show them mine, baby. Don't show them mine. But yeah, as you can see, this kitchen needs to be clean. I was not feeling well yesterday. That's why I did not leave the house. I did not vlog. Only thing I did yesterday was edit a vlog and post it for you guys. But I was in bed all day. So I had to go back and make for that time. So yes, the kitchen is a mess. Yes, I'm about to clean it. Before I start cooking or doing anything, I'm about to go brush my teeth because I'm starting to have a toothache on this side again. I'm about to go brush my teeth, do a rinse, and clean up. And then my plan is to also wash baby girl's hair and comb it. So yeah. So I'm tired, but we're about to get it done. So yeah, so I'm not really gonna show me cleaning up the kitchen or anything like that. I don't have my proper setup. I don't have my stand and stuff like that, so I can't do it. So I'm just gonna do you'll probably see me cooking. I'm gonna try to record myself cooking dinner if I can. I hate not having a freaking tripod or something where I can hold this phone or mount it up. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get started, take this jacket off, and yeah, let's just get this house clean and get it smelling good, get some music playing, and just relax. And I'm about to wash clothes, fold clothes, well, put them in the box, comb baby girl's hair, cook dinner. So yeah, see you guys in a bit.
I like to get my hair done. Look, guys.
Keep turning.
I like to get my hair done.
Dude, I got my hair done, Dance.
Okay. I just get my hair done. I just get my hair done. I just get my hair done.
All right, one more kiss. Bye.
Mommy, I'm holding the red.
You folding the rest?
Uh-huh.
You're doing a good job, babe.
Thank you. I'm holding the top. And over there, look. Look at the back.
Oh, you did a great job. That thing needs to be cleaned up. But you did a good job.
Thank you. Look at my clothes.
It's almost empty.
I just need to keep holding.
Yeah, keep folding. Keep folding. And then we're going to put you some new clothes on.
Uh-huh. And then I will clean back. Because I only have things like that in the back.
Oh, you got some clean mask?
Yeah, these are the clean masks. Look.
Ooh.
These are made of lightweight, but I'll find out if we got another one in the blue basket.
Okay.
When we do that one.
Yeah, we gotta do another basket of clothes.
Yeah, when we do the blue basket, I'll find out if we do another one. So Jaleesa can have a mask like me on labor.
Are you trying to find Jaleesa a mask too?
Yeah, in the blue basket.
Okay, well, we'll look for her a mask. All right. Tell YouTube bye.
Bye, YouTube. Where are you two going?
Well, YouTube, they going to the next clip.
Oh. Bye, YouTube.